Faith, hope, and love. These three abide. Why do I serve at LTSP? Faith. Responding as we try to do, faithfully, sincerely, honestly, to the messiness of everyday life and the challenges thrown up all the time by being part of not only this wonderful faculty, staff, students, but also this community. Issues that call upon us to respond faithfully to the pressing issues of public leadership and public witness. Faith, drinking deep from the wells of biblical scholarship, theological traditions and innovations, from historical theology, from practical issues thrown up by the life of the church, faithfully exploring together what it means to serve in faith in God's church. Faith, an invitation to journey with God and with all God's people in their diversity, in their manyness, in their joys and in their sorrows. Faith. That's why I serve at LTSP. Hope. To embody the hope that has filled us and be prepared, trained, encouraged to give an account of the hope that is within us, the hope that is given to us as a gift and as a calling, the hope that continues to unfurl in us. Hope that our embrace of public theology calls us to speak a word of truth, a word of hope to those who are hurting. There are too many deaths out there, too many unnecessary, unwarranted, and unwanted deaths. To speak a word of hope in the midst of so much hurt that is out there. A hope in the reality that public theology, which this seminary embodies, matters and has consequences. Hope. That is why I serve at LTSP. Love. Long before it became fashionable, politically correct, and perhaps appropriate to talk about certain things, this seminary embodied that long-standing traditions of being a monocultural and one-dimensional seminary could not last. And the fact that 35, 40 years ago, the coming as a gift to this seminary of what has become the Urban Theological Institute, bringing the vibrancy of the Black church, the African American tradition of suffering, resilience, the tradition of powerful preaching, the ability to rise up above everything that strives to force people down, the love embodied in this seminary, in this diverse multicultural community. Love. Love that makes it possible for us to embrace such a variety and range of people from all kinds of backgrounds, from all kinds of denominations, from all kinds of traditions, all owning together the deep Lutheran roots and identity of this seminary, coupled with the robust openness to the vast diversity of gifts offered to God in this place. Love. That's why I serve at LTSP. It's been my privilege to be part of the past in terms of having been invited into the rich legacy, the 150-year legacy that this seminary represents. It's been my pleasure to have been part of the present that has led us to this moment in time with that wonderful inauguration and installation service. And it's going to be my pleasure to be part of the future of this seminary, a future under the leadership of President David Lose, along with all my wonderful colleagues, my beloved and dear students, so many friends from all over. A future that I look forward to, because it's not my future, it's not Dr. Lose's future, but it's God's future. A future that we embrace in faith, hope, and love. Thank you.